join us today as we repot this big maple. Join us. Welcome back, everybody. Yeah, it's been a while since I recorded. Just been really busy. I've been ill too. That doesn't help. And then repotting, just quietly repotting in the background at night. But opportunity today to repot this guy before it's already pushing. So the buds are swelling, and then I got a couple leaf break already a little early this season. So it's time for me to quickly repot this guy into a bigger pot. Same style, Yamaki, not Yamaki, this is Yamafusa, in the same style but in a lighter blue, just one size bigger. Probably in the same orientation, off center on this guy. It shouldn't take me too long. It's been a couple years since I repotted this guy, so I'm probably gonna do a time lapse, I think, just to speed this process. Nothing really different, no hacking of roots. This is just really combing off the bottom, getting everything kind of tightened out, combing down the top, kind of exposing as much as the nebari now possibly, and then just putting this back in the pot. I might run out of soil. I think I'm almost out of pumice right now, so I think I have another bag in the back. I think after that I'm short. So yeah, wish me the luck right now. Thanks. All right, let me pause just right here. Just to give me an idea of what I discovered is, I'm not sure if it shows up in the camera really well, but all this is nebari. All this black stuff that you see here is nebari. Apparently the first time when I repotted, or second time I repotted this into that, into the Yamafusa, the other one over there, I buried this up to there. So you did not see much nebari. It's just these buttresses were showing. What I discovered is when I buried it, mossed it, sphagnum moss on top of that, this it created a really full nebari now. It's about from here to here is about 11 inches wide. Full pancake, solid nebari with these really nice buttresses. I'm not sure if it shows up on this camera, but I'm gonna expose it, and then I'm gonna use a toothbrush and kind of clean it up as best I can. And then I'm gonna put soil. This is a big pot, by the way. This is a 21 inch from end to end. Just to give it some growing room. The canopy itself is 33 inches wide, so it can support this big pot. And it gives me an opportunity to kind of like turn it a little bit and almost center it. And it looks actually fairly nice in this pot actually. I'm gonna make sure this is the better front, and then I gotta make some more soil. I don't think I have enough soil to finish this guy. So let me do that really quick, and then I'll put it back on time lapse. Alrighty. This took longer than I really expected. I thought I was going to spend about 2 hours repotting this one. I spent about 6 hours repotting this. But you notice that the nebari is really superior on this tree. I didn't know it was this nice. Seriously, I didn't know it was this nice. I remember it was kind of like wonky. It was kind of lumpy, but I think after several years of being buried, like you can tell where it's naturally want to be buried. So basically this leg is exposed and that's it. Everything else is pretty much covered. Now being exposed, I just raised it up just a little bit, just to kind of mature that nebari and kind of mature the feeder roots. I did take about a third of the bottom wraparounds out. I still have, this is probably only exposed about maybe 8 inches of nebari. I have a total of 11 that's still underneath this total, and that's solid. So I was kind of surprised on that one. I did clean as much as I could. What I'm going to do is I'm going to water in a couple of minutes, but I'm going to put it back where it was been growing. I might show this tree just because the nebari is it's really spectacular. And I put in this Yamafusa pot. This is a 21 inside diameter, 22 on the outside diameter. The canopy of the tree right now is 31 inches ish, give or take. And I put the tree almost in the center. So what do you think? You think this, I could raise it a little higher, expose them more, and chance it a little bit with the feeder roots? I don't know. I had to call Lindsay because I was like, how much do I expose? How much do I keep? How much do I show off on this tree? And so this is conservatively where we both agreed upon. He liked this big pot a little better because it can handle it. But I'd love to hear your comments about this tree. You think it's worthy of this pot? And the nebari looks good or not? I will probably like wash the nebari a couple of times. It's still pretty dirty. It's pretty sooty, and then expose it to light and air. It should lighten up. Other than that, if you guys watched this far, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Helps me out. I know I've been uploading religiously. It just, again, I've been ill, and then a lot of stuff at work is going on, so it's taking priority over everything else. But if you guys like this type of content, like and subscribe, and of course, thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.